Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be solving a new Leetcode question, that is add digits with the help of Python. The question says given an integer num repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. So the question says we have to continue adding the digits here. That is like here, if we see, we have to continue adding it until there is one digit number. So if we add 3 plus 8, we will be getting 11, and if we add 1, 1, we will be getting 2. So the trick here is that when a number is greater than 2, we have to return true, else we have to return false condition here. So we have to check for each and every individual number here, and keep adding those number, or keep adding those digits until that number is greater than, sorry, less than equal to 9. If it is 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so these are all single digit number, and 0, of course. How can we forward 0? So there is also a 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So from this range we have to continue adding if we are not getting the number between 0 to 9. So let's start solving this question. So we will be solving this with the help of Python. So just before starting solving this question, guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So I hope you will do it. So let's start solving it. First of all, I will be creating a while loop here. So while len of str. So my approach here is to check for str num and check for its length, because if we are adding, we cannot iterate uh, an integer. So we have to convert it into an str. So first of all, we will be converting the num into str until it is greater than 1, means the length of the str is greater than 1, not the number. So mark my point here that we are checking for the length is greater than 1, not the number. So length of str. Okay, so the length of str num, which is of course 2 here, until it is greater than 1, means if it is greater than 1, we have to continue doing it until it's true condition here. A result, so I will be creating a result value here, which is my integer here, and I will check for characters here for C, which I will be denoting it by C in str num again. And why we are taking it? Because we cannot iterate any values which is an integer form. So this whole value is integer here, so we have to iterate it in str. So we can only iterate it into str, we cannot iterate into integers form. We can also iterate it into array, however we cannot only iterate into an integer form. So let's do it, and now I will be concatenating the result plus is equals to int c, not strc, because all these values are would be my c in the str form. So I want to add this value into integer form. Likewise, I will be explaining you how it will be happening. So here is my integer, first c. Okay, so I want it to be an str, not, I want to be an integer, not str. So it will be 3 here. Then again, it will be my what, it will be my 8, and it will give me what, it will give me 8. So 3 plus 8 will give us uh, 11. So that's what we are doing here, and it will give 11, and again it will happen until this condition is false. Okay, so it will keep on adding, and I will be saying that num is equals to result, and I will return the return num. And now let's run the code. Hope you will be getting our answer. So we do what have our answer here. So that was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood this concept. If you haven't understood this concept, I am explaining you one more method with which we can solve this question. So let me comment out this whole thing, and I will be explaining it to you, this question to you with another method. So I will be writing method 1 and here method 2. Okay, so method 2 here. So if num is equals to 0, return 0. That is quite obvious that if it is a number is a 0, then we should return 0. Okay, else return num 1 plus n num minus 1 mod 9. So let me explain it to you, this one as well. So this whole thing, I will write a comment here. So if I take a number as 38, so 38 minus 1, 38 minus 1 will give me 37, and 37 plus 1 will give me again 38 is equals to 38. However, we have to check for the mod value. So we do not have to add this here. We will be first taking the mod value of it. So 37 mod 37 mod 9 will give me what? Will give me 37 mod 9 will give me 1, because 3 for the 36 and remainder will be giving me this, and plus 1 will give me 2. So this is what I will be getting as an answer. If you check for another example, maybe 30, so 30 minus 1 will give me 29 mod 29 mod 9 will give me what? Will give me 2, plus 1 will give me 3. So this was all in the question, guys. Let me run this code now, and we will be getting our answer here. So you see that it has been running successfully for 2 test cases. We can try it for multiple test cases, maybe a random value like this and this and this. Okay, so let's try for all these values, and it should be running successfully. See, it has been running successfully for many random values. So this was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood. If you haven't understood, I have taken 2 methods. If you haven't understood any of these methods, you can ask in the comment section with whatever doubt you have. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.